You do it that way?
Yeah, it seems to work out.
Who told you that?
I don't know. Some guy said you can make $300 an hour pressure washing.
Do you make $300 an hour pressure washing?
Sometimes. Sometimes. Got about 10 minutes. And I want to find the nastiest pictures I can find. And also, like nooks and crannies, so that way I can show them before and after to the nooks and crannies to say,
right,
we got everywhere. Okay, we got an opening here. He doesn't want the fence done, so I'm going to text him in 2 minutes with a picture of the fence and ask him if he wants to do the fence for an extra.
We're used to real grass, not fake grass.
Okay.
A bird down there.
Florida, as you go inland. I'm going to send these pictures to him right now so we can get an answer. So I always try to find a way to offer more services
Once you're here?
once I'm here. You know, hey, while we're here, you know, for an extra
Right.
$150 we can get this fence cleaned. It's not
Right. Take you 10 minutes.
Yep.
20 minutes. It's all about the upsell. Whether you upsell when you're here or you upsell before you get here. You want to do both. You want to upsell when you are here, and you want to upsell when you are doing your, this is a good walk around to be doing in it. You're doing some double walking there. That's the only reason why I'm asking. See, I wouldn't pre-soak the driveway until I came around and did this, and then I would do these two sides. That's going to give it plenty. It's going to be dry by the time you get back around. Does that make sense? I'm trying to help you on time wise. I know you're trying to fight time.
Okay.
And right now you're bringing it up here, bringing it back up here to pre-soak it. When you're doing this front, it's going to give that long enough to dry. It'll be dry by the time you came back around.
Is it okay if it dries?
It's going to dry right now if you pre-soak it.
Okay, so just do that last?
I would, so my thing is pull the hose off and you go, and the other thing I was going to say, I don't know if you want criticism or not, but you want to pull a little bit more further forward. So that way everything comes straight off that thing where you can go straight back.
Okay.
And even when you did your pictures, there was a spigot back here. So now you went that way to get to there. And I know you don't always know that's where your spigot is.
Yeah.
And that's why a lot of times you knock on the door to say, hey, where's my spigot at? So if they say, I got one on each side, then that way my straight pull is this way. Because now when you're rolling up, what are you doing? You're worrying about all that crap over there and that. Also, when you go straight back and drop, you know, I instead of doing what you kind of did there, which I know why you were doing it, because you were planning on coming all the way back up here. So what I do is I would go on past the back of the house to make sure that I know I got enough to go to that other side. I'm going to come here, drop my nozzle, come up here, start my machine, and then I'm going to soap this here, rinse it, and then obviously with the fence it's going to be a little bit different, and I would probably soap all my fence back there when I was back there.